Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to change who can see Facebook pages, people, and list you follow. It's super easy, so let's get into it. Now, the first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. From here, click on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll all the way to Settings and Privacy and click on Settings. Now, this will give you a bunch of options, but I need you to scroll down until you see Followers and Public Content. Tap on that, and as you can see, there is already an option who can see the people, pages, and lists that you follow. You just need to click on that, and there will be an options here. You can set it to public, friends except, or specific friends, or only you. And you just need to click save to confirm. And that's it. That's how you change who can see Facebook pages, people, and list you follow. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!